你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I am Ellie. Welcome to Big Bang Vocab. Here, you can learn and expand your vocabulary in an easy and fun way. 2012 is the year of dragon. 龙 second tone means dragon. 龙年 means the year of dragon. 我属龙 I was born in the year of dragon. 我 third tone. 属 third tone means belong to. 龙 second tone means dragon. 我属龙2012年是我的本命年。2012 is my animal year. 本命年 is the recurrent year in the 12-year cycle and is called one's animal year. 本 third tone, 命 fourth tone, 年 second tone. 本命年 Ellie, 你属什么？ Ellie, what is your animal sign? 我属龙2012年是我的本命年。I was born in the year of dragon. 2012 is my animal year. If you were born in year of 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, or 2000, 你也属龙。Your animal sign is also dragon. 因本命年 people often wear red socks, red underwear, or red belt to avoid bad luck. Dragon is an auspicious and powerful animal in the traditional Chinese culture. Chinese people often say, 中国人是龙的传人，龙的传人 descendants of dragon. 龙 second tone 的 neutral tone. 传 second tone. 人 second tone. 龙的传人中国人是龙的传人 Nowadays, many young couples in China want to have a dragon baby. As a result, it is said that more babies will be born in 龙年 the year of dragon. In Chinese New Year, you can say this to your friends. 祝你龙年快乐 Wish you a happy year of dragon. 祝 fourth tone means wish. 你 third tone. 龙 second tone. 年 second tone. 快 fourth tone. 乐 fourth tone. 快乐 means happy. 祝你龙年快乐 When the new year comes, you can also say something like 祝你在龙年龙腾虎跃 Wish you have a year full of vitality in the year of dragon. 龙 second tone. 腾 second tone means gallop. 虎 third tone means tiger. 跃 fourth tone means leap or jump. 祝你在龙年龙腾虎跃 Okay, it's your turn. Leave me a message and tell me 你属什么 What is your animal sign? And don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。Ellie, 你属什么 What would Ellie say? 我是龙。我属龙。我爱龙。Please choose the best answer. 李兰，你属什么？我属龙。你呢？ I'm 1 year younger than you. 我属蛇。What are they talking about according to the dialogue? Animal signs. Dragons. New year. Please choose the best answer. 王英，祝你在龙年龙腾虎跃。谢谢，李兰，也祝你新年快乐，龙年大吉。What does 李兰 mean according to the dialogue? 李兰 wishes Wang Ying a year full of vitality in the year of dragon. 李兰 wishes Wang Ying get rich in the year of dragon. 李兰 wishes Wang Ying a happy family reunion this year. Please choose the best answer. 小美，你属什么？我属龙，今年是我的本命年。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? This year is the year of snake. This year is the year of rabbit. This year is the year of dragon. Please choose the best answer. 李兰，你怎么买了双红袜子？今年是我的本命年。What can we know according to the dialogue? Today is the birthday of Li Lan's mom. This year is Li Lan's animal year. Li Lan was born this year. Please choose the best answer.